morning everybody and welcome in today's lesson. Let's start with circle time.
Hi kids, here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great job. Now, let's sing it quietly. Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Saturday, Sunday, the week.
well done. Now, let's
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horsemen and all the king's horses couldn't put Humpty together again. Two little diggy birds sitting on a tree. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little diggy birds sitting on a tree. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Today in maths we are going to count with spoons. You can get some spoons in the kitchen if mommy allows you, and you can count with us. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done. Let's sing a song. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back. Daddy duck said quack, 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 and 5 little ducks came swimming back. Today we are going to look at colors and shapes. Let's start with our colors. We've got a fishbowl and some fish. But where does fish belong? It belongs in the fishbowl with water. Let's see if Teacher Meryl can put the right color fish back into the water so that they can swim and be happy again. Teacher Meryl, can you take a pink fish? Well done. Can you look for a green fish? Well done. A yellow, brown, blue, white, orange, black, red, and purple. I see a few happy fishes swimming. Hope you got all your fishes back into their fish bowls. Let's go over to color, to shapes. Our shapes today is circle, hearts, squares, and triangles. Teacher Meryl is going to name the shape and also trace it with the color that's used on the top here. Let's see. Teacher Meryl, can you do a red heart? Well done, Teacher Meryl. And what shape is that? A heart. Well done. Can you do a blue circle? And that is a circle. Can we do a yellow square? Well done. What shape is that again, teacher? Square. And a green triangle. And what shape is that again? Triangle. Triangle. Well done. You can complete all your shapes and even color them in at home. Hope you have lots of fun. Let's sing a song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see colors with our eyes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close your eyes, they go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Colors brighten up our life. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are happy because of them. In arts and crafts today, we're going to use our arm and hand and make a giraffe. Teacher Meryl is going to show you how to do it. You got all the things in your bag. You just need a scissors and some glue still, but please let Mommy help you with the scissors. Teacher Meryl is now drawing her arm and her hand, and she's going to cut it out to form the giraffe. Remember, you cannot use the scissors by yourself at home. Let Mommy help you, or even a bigger brother or sister. Can you tell me what color paper Teacher Meryl is using? It is yellow. Well done. And how many fingers have we got on one hand? Can you count them while Teacher Meryl is cutting them? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done if you got it right at home. Well done, Teacher Meryl. Now let's start making our giraffe. First we're going to put down our arm and hand. Then we're going to give it some eyes. Let's put 2 little ears on top of the fingers. Now let's complete our giraffe with the different colored dots. Well done, teacher. Teacher Meryl can also put the smaller dots on and then give it a smiley face. Well done. You can make yours at home and ask Mommy to help you. Hope you have lots of fun. Let's sing a song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a blah blah here and a baa baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a may-may here and a may-may there, here a may, there a may, everywhere a may-may. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a whoop whoop here and a whoop whoop there, here a whoop, there a whoop, everywhere a whoop whoop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I can do anything, that's everything, all on my own. I have this little sister Lola. She is small and very funny. At the moment, Lola likes to say, I can do anything, that's everything, all on my own. Lola says, I can button up my coat, all on my own. I can use the computer, all on my own. And I can definitely pour pink milk, all on my own. I say, let me help, Lola, but she says, no, I can do anything, that's everything, all on my own. So then I say, Lola, helping is very important. What about the milk monkeys in the jungle? How do you think they get their pink milk? They help each other. If the monkeys tried to do this all on their own, they would never get their pink milk. But I'm not a monkey, so I don't need help. Any help, says Lola. I can do anything, that's everything, all on my own. Later, Matt and Lola and me go to the park. Matt says, Lola, do you want to play monkey in the middle? And Lola says, no thank you. I am going to the playground to swing all on my own. Then I say, hey Lola, do you want to play with us? She says, no thank you, Charlie. Next I will be playing on the seesaw all on my own. Then Matt says, but the seesaw will not see or soar with only one person. And I say, yes, you need two people to go up in the air. But Lola says, why would I want to go high up when I can see lots of interesting things very close and near to the ground? So I say, but Lola, being high up can be really fantastic. Then Matt and me go on the seesaw and Lola goes high up in the air. I say, what can you see, Captain Lola? I can see a giant octopus, says Lola, and I can see pirates, and they are coming to us. We shout, help, Captain Lola, help. And Lola says, don't worry, Charlie, don't worry, Matt, I will rescue you. Then Lola says, see, Charlie, I saved you and Matt from the ever so mean pirates. You could untie yourself on your own, could you? I can do anything, that's everything, all on my own. And I say, yes, Lola, you can do everything all on your own, except walk home. And do you know what Lola says then? Oh, Charlie, walking home isn't any fun all on my own. See you all tomorrow.